So in this video, let's do one more question that is known as Fibonacci series. Okay, in the Fibonacci series, we want to find a specific n number. Okay, so let's understand what do we mean by Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series is basically given by this. Okay, this is the, let's consider this is the zeroth Fibonacci series. This is the first Fibonacci series. Second Fibonacci series, how you get it is basically by adding these two up. Okay. So this is the second Fibonacci series. Okay, second Fibonacci series number. Third Fibonacci series number will be what? Add this two up. Okay, adding means, see, this is the number, this is, let's say this is n, so addition of n minus 1 and n minus 2's value. Okay, so if you want to get the fourth Fibonacci number, what is the fourth number? Add this number and this number. Next fifth number, add this number and get this, add this number. So this two will give me fifth number. Sixth number of Fibonacci is basically this plus this, so 8 is the sixth number. Okay. So we are supposed to be finding the value of n. I'll give you an n. Okay, I'll tell you, hey, this is the n value. Tell me what is the nth Fibonacci series number of a Fibonacci series. So if I tell you, hey, n equal to 6, so what will tell me? What is the answer is 8. If I tell you n equal to 4, what will tell me? Answer is 3. If I tell you n equal to 5, what will tell me? Answer is 5. If n equal to 1, then first Fibonacci series is this only. Okay, in the initial we will be getting given these two values. Okay, these two values will be given to us because in order to find this value we need two values, right? So as soon as I told you n equal to 1, that means you don't even have to calculate anything. You're like, hey, n equal to 1, you've already given me the value of 1, so it's this value only. If I tell you n equal to 2, that means you will try to find, you will add this up and again you'll find, you give me this value. Okay, I hope you understood the, like, some portion of it. Okay, I should say like 20-30% fine, or 40-50%, okay, 60%. Okay, so let's code it and then we'll understand properly. Okay, so as I told you, these two values will be given to us. These two values will be given to us. These two values will be given to us. And if someone asks you, hey, tell me the value of n equal to 1, so obviously you know that if, let's say this is stored in A and this is stored in B. So obviously if someone tell me, hey, tell me the Fibonacci of 1, so what is the first value? You don't even have to calculate anything. Whatever is contained in B, that is your first Fibonacci value. Okay, making sense clear? So let's code it and understand more in detail. Okay, so see, firstly we will given two values of a Fibonacci number. So let's tell me int and equal to, let's find the Fibonacci of 4. Okay, Fibonacci of 4 means what is kept 4 value. Okay, so I told you this value will be given to us. It means zeroth value and the first value is given to us. Okay, in case if someone asks me to find what is the Fibonacci of 1, so I'll not do anything. I'll just be like, hey, Fib is basically equal to whatever is the value of B. Okay, so why I can say that int I equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus here. If someone tells me that, hey, find the value of Fibonacci of, and let me just give me a second, dot Fib. If someone tells me that, hey, find the Fibonacci of 1, if example let's say n equal to 1. Okay, so n equal to 1 means you don't even have to calculate anything because you have already know the value and you are storing the value in your Fibonacci of B. Fibonacci, you're storing the value of B, so Fib is containing your B, so you don't have to calculate anything in Fibonacci. So n equal to 1, so this loop will not run. N equal to 1, I is starting from 1. Hey, 1 is less than 1. Okay, no, 1 is greater than 1, so nothing inside of this will run and will just come and print your value. What if your n equal to 4 right now? You're starting from 1, right? You're starting from 1. That means you can do this. Okay, no problem. Fib will be updated with this. Fib equal to A plus B. I'll explain it, don't worry, I'll explain to you. And I'm writing something like A equal to B, B equal to Fib. Whatever written here, let's understand this. We know this is our Fibonacci series, right? See, this is the basics thing. This is the reason I'm writing and explaining it properly. Okay, you need to understand these things, and then these things are really the basics. Just concentrate and understand. Okay, so let's see what is this. 5, 8, so okay. The next will be 13. Obviously, we know. Okay, just say this. Okay, so see, A is containing 0, B is containing 1. Okay, this part is clear. Let's see, you're not to find the value of 4. So what is that 4? This is your first, containing this is 0. Okay, first, second, third, and fourth. That means at 4th you have your 3. Okay, no problem. That means I, you are running from till 4. Okay, you came here and you're like, hey, I equal to less than 4. 1 is less than 4. Yes, 1 is less than 4. Why I'm starting from 1? Because as soon as the value of 1 and equal to 1, then this loop will not run. Okay, if I start from 0, then this loop will run once, right? So I'll be getting a wrong answer. That's the reason I'm not starting from 1. Okay, you came here and you're saying, hey, FIFO is basically, since I have some value of n, so FIFO is going to be updated. So FIFO equals to a plus 1. So FIFO equal to a plus 1. What is it? A 0. What is 1? What is this? What is it? B is 1. So FIFO equal to 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Add I equal to 1. Okay, and A equal to B. What do you mean by this? That means previously this was your A and this was your B, right? Now your A is this, because now you want, see, you have already found this, right? You have already found this. Let's say this was your first Fibonacci. After going in this loop, you have found your second Fibonacci value, right? Okay, so you already found this. So now this is your A and this is your B. What is B? B is basically whatever Fibonacci value you have found. Okay, so now you want to find your this third value. So now this will become 2. Okay, this became 2. Now see, this became 2, no problem. FIFO is equal to A plus B. What is A? A is 1, B is 1. So FIFO basically became 2. FIFO became 2, no problem. Afterwards, you are saying, hey, A equal to B. So now A will be here, B will be, B will be equal to whatever is the value of Fibonacci. Fibonacci is basically here. Okay, making sense? Now this also will be updated by 1. So I plus plus. Now 3 is less than 4. Is 3 is less than 4, great. So again, you will come and do FIFO equal to A plus B. What is A plus B? A is 1, B is 2. So FIFO is basically equal to 3. FIFO equal to 3. Now A is, see, you have already found this value. So now you're like, okay, I found this value. So let's update the A as here and B on this. Okay, making sense? Making sense? Now your this value 3 also got updated by I plus plus. So it's 4 less than 4. 4 less than 4. No, it's not less than 4, right? So since it's not less than 4, this will stop. Okay, nothing will be executed out here, and whatever is stored in your FIFO, that is your answer. Understood this part? How we're doing, and like, see, this has like a number of ways, but I'm doing using this simple way. Okay, first FIFO equals to A plus B. What is A plus B? A plus B is basically the value of A and B. Okay, after doing this A plus B, I'm doing updating the value of A and B, because next time we are gonna use the updated value of A and B, right? In order to find this, I have used this 2, but next time in order to find this, I need to use this 2, right? Okay, that's the reason we have updated it. Okay, let's run once again. Let's do a dry run and then we'll do a, well, we'll actually again, like, let's first run it and then again we'll do a dry run. Okay, so we're finding for the fourth value, so we should be expecting others 3. The loop condition. So anything else? No. Okay. We're expecting 3 is our answer. So we're getting answer is 3. Okay, great, right? So let's do one more part. Let's do it one more time. Okay. Let's do it for fifth. Let's do it for sixth Fibonacci. Sixth Fibonacci's number is gonna be 0, 1, 1. Obviously it's 8. Okay, I wait, but just explaining for you guys. Doing this 3, 5, 8. Okay, 0 Fibonacci, first Fibonacci, second Fibonacci, third number, fourth number, fifth number, and sixth number. Right, we should be getting 8 is our answer. How will we get it? First of all, n equal to 6. Okay, n equal to 6, no problem. We need to run this loop till less than n. Right, a equal to 0, b equal to 1. So first update the value of Fibonacci. Okay, FIFO is not equal to b. Why? Because I'm not searching for first number. If I'm searching for first number, then that was the answer. But now since I'm searching for n equal to 6, I need to do some calculations. So FIFO equal to a plus b. What is a plus b? This is a right now and this is b. So FIFO equal to a plus b. A plus b means 1, right? FIFO became 1. So a equal to b. What was b? B is actually pointing here. So now b became this. What do you mean by what do you say FIFO? B equal to FIFO. FIFO is 1. So b became 1. Okay, and a became 1 through this line number this, okay, and b became this 1. Next is you are doing I plus plus. So I initially was 1, it became plus plus, so it became 2. Hey, 2 is less than 6. It's 2 is less than 6, that's great. Go and do some more updation. FIVO equal to a plus b. What is a plus b now? A is 1, b is 1, so FIVO became 2. FIVO became 2. FIVO became 2, that's great. That means I can see that this is my third number now. Okay. A equal to b. A equal to b means what is b? B is equal to 1, so A equal to b. So A equal to 1, no problem. B equal to what? B equal to FIVO. FIVO is 2. Making sense? So actually what's happening is they are actually pointing here, if you see properly. Okay, somehow A is containing the address, like value of this, B is containing the value of 2. Okay, next line again, I value is getting updated by 1. So 3, here 3 is less than your 6. Yes, 3 is less than 6, great. So again come here and do FIVO equal to a plus b. FIVO equal to a plus b means FIVO equal to a plus, what is a? A is 1, b is 2, so this became 3. This became 3. Okay, making sense? So this became 3, that's great. Afterwards update the value of a and b. So a became what was b, so b was 2. Okay, b was 2. And next what you're doing, next you're saying that hey, what is your value of b? B is basically what is your Fibonacci. Fibonacci value is 3. So basically b is here and a is here. Okay, next again update value of a I by 1. So 4 is 4 less than 5, 6, yes, 4 is less than 6. Then again great, do again what you need to do. FIVO equal to a plus b. FIVO equal to a plus b. What is a? A is 2, b is 3, so it became 5. It became 5. FIVO became 5. That means somehow exactly this value. Okay, now a equal to b. What is a? What is b? B is 3, so a equal to b, that means 3. That means now a is here. What is b? B is equal to FIVO. FIVO is basically 5, so b became here. A is here, b is here. Okay, I value got increased by 1. Is 5 less than 6? Yes, 5 is less than 6, that's great. So what do we need to do? FIVO equal to a plus b. What is a? A is 3, b is 5. Okay, b is 5 because b equal to 5, right? So b is 5. Now FIVO basically became 8, right? It became 8, that's great. FIVO right now is becoming 8, that means it's somehow containing this value. Okay, now again I'm doing, hey, a equal to b. A equal to b means what is b? B is 5, so this is a now. And b is also where FIVO is pointing to, so b is also this right now. I became 6. Is 6 less than 6? No, this is not the case, so stop. Whatever is stored in your Fibonacci, that is your answer. So FIVO is getting stored as 8, so FIVO is your answer. I hope this part is clear to us, how we are getting the Fibonacci value. Okay, let me just run for the clarification. Okay, basically what happens is Fibonacci of a specific number, okay, if a specific number is basically equal to the n minus 1 number and n minus 2 number. Okay, so let's run it. So n equal to 6, so we'll get answer as 8. Okay, okay, and this is the answer. Okay, this is just a way to implement it. There are some more ways. If you can do some changes and you can actually, if you can come up with this solution, that's also fair enough. Okay, you can also do that way also. Okay, so I hope this program is clear somehow to you, how we're getting the animate Fibonacci number. Okay, so practice this. Okay, and you would surely be able to do it. Okay, and if you want to do something like this also, see your value of Fibo. What does this mean? Anyone? Let's print here COT value 0 A. Anyone tell me anything? What's this? What I'm doing? See, if I'm asking you, hey, find the value of Fibonacci of 1. So Fibonacci of 1 means till that specific number. Okay, till the specific number, whatever value is there. So 0 is there and even 1 is there. So I'm printing 0 and even 1. Where is 1 stored? 1 is stored in B. So FIVO. So I'm storing FIVO. Now I'm running that. Hey, run till n equal to 6. So even keep on printing the value of Fibonacci. Okay. So let's see what we'll get. So if you want to do this, even you can do this also. Okay. Why are we getting 8 2 times? Because it I'm printing 1 in the loop and 1 outside also. Okay. So if you want to do like print till n, okay, then you don't have to print the nth number. Okay, print till n means print till n equal to, right, let's 6, or let's say till 5. Till 5 means we will be getting the number as 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, right? Those are the 5 numbers. This I'm considering as the 0 index. Okay, this I'm considering as 0th Fibonacci number. Okay, I'm considering this as my first Fibonacci number. Okay, making sense? So let's see what we should get. We get this result. Okay, so if you want to go like print the pattern or like the series, then you can do it like this. Okay, so if you want to print the till 8, so what will get 0, 1 and all. So let's till, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 numbers. And this, as I told you, I'm considering this is the zeroth number. The zeroth number, first Fibonacci, second Fibonacci, third Fibonacci, fourth Fibonacci, fifth Fibonacci, sixth Fibonacci, seventh Fibonacci, and this is the eighth Fibonacci number. Okay, I hope this is making sense. Now you are some understanding how we need to do, right? So if you want to print this series, you can do it like this. If you want to print the nth number, then also you can just do it like this. You just print it outside and you get your answer. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Okay, so just practice it and you'd surely be able to do it. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Okay, thank you.